Breaking news out of Washington tonight. We just learned a federal judge has now blocked a White House freeze that could have impacted trillions of dollars in government spending on public programs. Good evening once again. Thank you for joining us tonight. The White House Budget Office had ordered that pause on all federal grants and loans in an internal memorandum that was sent on Monday.
And that memo says, quote, federal agencies must temporarily pause all activities related to obligation or disbursement of all federal financial assistance. It also aimed to block the issuance of new grants, while Social Security, Medicare benefits, and student loans were told would not be impacted. We are told the freeze could have caused widespread disruption in healthcare research, education programs, disaster assistance, and nonprofits. Administration officials say the pause is necessary to ensure all funding complies with President Trump's recent executive orders.
But again, we just learned a judge has now put a stay on this aid freeze until Monday at 5 p.m. A D.C. District Court judge set a hearing for Monday morning to look into this freeze further. Now, we know this freeze could impact just about everyone in some form. That's why I've been reaching out to local lawmakers and organizations throughout the day, trying to get answers about the potential impact this funding freeze could have for so many people here in Western New York.
We're reviewing the memo right now and trying to figure out what the impact is.
It's the memo that could impact millions of Americans. The White House has ordered a pause on all federal grants and loans as of 5 p.m. Tuesday night.
I think the president was pretty forthright when he said that we're going to examine all elements of the federal government.
Congressman Nick Langworthy says the order is only temporary as the Trump administration reviews how billions of dollars in federal funding is allocated.
We want to really examine what's going out the door.
This decision is lawless, dangerous, destructive, cruel.
But Senate Minority Leader Charles Schumer says this pause could directly impact a wide range of organizations and public programs across the country.
Funds for things like disaster assistance, local law enforcement, rural hospitals, aid to the elderly, food for people in need, all are on the chopping block.
The White House says this freeze will not impact Medicare and Social Security benefits, but the memo has left local organizations with a lot of questions. This map from the National Institutes of Health shows that in New York's 26th district alone, there are currently 391 health-related research projects receiving federal funding, including at the University of Buffalo, which has 270, and Roswell Park Comprehensive Cancer Center, which currently has 99 projects. I'm told Roswell Park also has 50 proposed cancer research projects pending review that could potentially be interrupted under this pause. A spokesperson from Feed More Western New York, which relies on more than $18 million in federal funding each year, tells me the organization is also concerned, saying this pause, quote, may have wide-ranging impact on Feed More Western New York's ability to provide nutritious food and vital resources to our community members experiencing food insecurity.
There's a lot of uncertainty as far as how broad this is.
Sean Donahue is an assistant professor of political science at the University of Buffalo. He's also a lawyer.
When Congress approves money, can the president just put a pause to that?
Well, that's one thing that's a little bit unclear. That it kind of depends on what's the nature of the pause. You know, is it something that's going to be a day? Is it going to be a week? Is it going to be permanent? I mean, if it's permanent, then it essentially adds up to organizations not getting their money.
Again, just a short time ago, a judge temporarily blocked this funding freeze from taking effect until at least next Monday. But this isn't the only legal challenge it's facing. New York Attorney General Letitia James joined a group of her counterparts in filing a lawsuit to block this pause as well.